Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing really great. Everyone is safe, fine, and healthy. I hope your family members are doing really great. And if this is the case, you are really very lucky. And coming back to the topic, today I'm going to talk about goal setting, the importance of goal setting. I know that you must have seen many videos, there are so many videos available, there are so many books available, there are so many articles available on this, and you must be reading or hearing about it I know so many times. But it is really very important. Goal setting can never go out of fashion. You can see the older videos, you will see the videos coming in future as well, because this is one of the very important part of our life. Goal setting is really very important, right? But before going to the deep in this, let me tell you a very short story about a person. There's one person who was getting bored in house, and one day he decided to go for a long drive. He decided, I'll go and explore the things, roads which I have never been into, never been on to, right? And after he drove for around 15-20 kilometers, he saw a diversion coming in between, and he stopped there, right? He was thinking, let me ask someone where this road goes, and he saw a old person walking on the same road, and he just stopped there and he asked that old person, where these two roads going, where they will end up. And the old person very smartly asked, where do you want to go? What is your destination? And that person said, I don't know, I have not decided. I don't know where I want to go. And then the old person replied, well, in that case, you can take any road, you will end up somewhere for sure. Right? So, this was a very beautiful message. You can get it from there. If you do not have a destination, if you do not have an end point, if you do not have a goal in your life, you will end up somewhere for sure. This is a life. It will keep go on. Yeah, it will go on. Whatever you do, it will go on. You will end up somewhere for sure, but it may not be according to your wish. It may not be according to your desire. And what is the point of coming at work, and at the end of the point, you will be no, you will regret that I did not achieve good in my life. And for that, goals are very important. Desires, goal are very important part of life. So what does goals do for us? It's really really important. I have seen so many people during my coaching call. So many clients are coming. When I ask them what is the plan for next 5 months, or let's talk even of 6 months, they do not have a clear picture about it, because they have not set a goal. They do not have any clear cut outcome about it, right? That's why they are clueless. They are living a life which is clueless. Goals, what they will do, it will help you to become focused, right? It will help you, and it will give you the clarity of life, what you want actually in your life. It will make you think what actually you want, right? It will, once you decided what you want, it will help you to be focused on your goal, right? That is the second point. Third point, it will help you to achieve more. Once you achieve a certain goal, it will also motivate, what is the next level, what is my next level, what is my next version, what is the more I can do from this. And it will help you to make progress in your life. It will help you to get even better in your life, right? These are the three very important things which you can think as of now, right? I'm interacting with so many people that they do not have any clue, especially the people who are out of college, who are in the initial level of their career. If I talk about their life vision, maybe another for 5 years, they do not have a clear idea about it. Certainly, they have some idea about the clear, their career. For example, they want to become a manager, they want to become some kind of some designation. How about life? In life, what do you exactly want, right? That is very important. Here is a very small exercise what you can do. I want you to write at least 5 goals which you want to achieve in next 6 months to 1 year. Now many people will say that this corona situation is going on, market is not good and all those things. That is there, but that is not impacted only you, that is impacted everyone equally. But now for a time being, I want you to set the goal which are dependent on you. Like if you want to lose 5 kgs of weight, if you want to improve certain communication skill, if you want to improve your some kind of skill which you always wanted to do, you want to write any book, you want to write a published article, you want to make any videos, these are the things which are dependent only on you. Decide those 5 goals and stick to it. Make a plan out of it. Once you write the goal, your brain will automatically think of ways how to complete that, right? So this is a very important part, exercise you can do, and this will help you for sure. If my story and my thoughts make sense to you, please subscribe to my social media platform. It could be Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or any other platform, and I will come up with a more such interesting topic. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you again. Thank you so much.